Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share the preparation of jackfruit papad. This is the season of jackfruit. Select well-grown raw jackfruit. Cutting of jackfruit is a tricky job. It contains lots of gum. We have to cut it into pieces and we have to clean it. Jackfruit is a super healthy, unique tropical fruit rich with vitamin A, C, thiamine, riboflavin, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, copper, and niacin. It boosts immune system, increases energy level, is good for cardiovascular system, prevents anemia, improves digestion, it prevents colon cancer, controls diabetes, protects eyes, prevents aging, strengthens bones, and good functioning of thyroid. It aids in weight loss. As per Ayurveda, raw jackfruit increases Vata and Kapha dosha. We have to cut and remove this gummy portion of the jackfruit. If you store these papads properly in airtight container, it will last for months together. You can use it with rice and rasam or as a evening snack for kids. Now cutting is over. We have to separate the inner fruit portion. Better to apply coconut oil or any cold pressed oil to your hands before touching the jackfruit to prevent the gum. Cleaning the jackfruit by separating the seeds and outer whitish layer. Fill the steamer with water. Keep the plate like this and fill it with cleaned jackfruits. Cover the lid and cook for 20 to 30 minutes. That depends upon the type of jackfruit. When it is hot itself, grind the jackfruits without adding water. While grinding, you can add spices like coriander powder, cumin powder, chili powder and salt. Or if you don't want any spices, you can add simply salt and grind it to form smooth paste. By applying coconut oil or any cold pressed oil to your palms, make lemon sized balls out of it and keep it ready. Grease plastic sheets with the coconut oil or any cold pressed oil and keep them ready. Now place one ball over a plastic sheet and cover it with another oil applied plastic sheet and press it like this. And transfer it to a mat. Repeat the procedure. During lockdown, this is a nice time pass for full family. Kids enjoyed a lot. Dry them under hot sunlight. After drying, either you can deep fry it with oil or you can cook it on stove top like this. This is the healthier and better way of using jackfruit papad. Once it is done, apply a thin coating of coconut oil and enjoy. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.